Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that's really close to my heart, which is finding the perfect lip match. I've always struggled with finding the right lip shade for my skin tone, and it's been a journey to find something that truly works. But today I want to share with you a product that's been a game changer for me, the Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss. The Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss is my go-to for finding the perfect lip match. Not only does it give a glass-like glossy finish, but it also plumps up my lips and gives them a fuller look. And the best part is it comes in 12 vegan shades that ranges from nudes to pinks, reds and berries. So every skin, every tone, every shade will find their perfect match. Also, two of the most current makeup trends that are taking the world by storm, and one of them is the monochromatic makeup look, and this involves using the same shade of makeup on your eyes, lips and cheeks for a cohesive look. And another trend is the bright, bold lip like fuchsia, orange and red on your lips. So these 12 shades will serve your need no matter whichever trend you're following. Also a fun fact, did you know that the shape of our lips can reveal a lot about our personality? People with full lips are believed to be passionate and confident, while people with thinner lips are thought to be more reserved. Let me know in the comment, guys, what is your lip shape, and if this personality type matches yours. It's gonna be fun. This gloss has some amazing, unique selling points that I just have to talk about. First of all, the glass-like shine is truly breathtaking. Whenever I wear it, I feel like my lips are gleaming and it lasts all day. Secondly, the plumping effect is insane. I'm always looking for ways to make my lips look fuller, and this product does it effortlessly. Thirdly, the weightless texture is to die for. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky on my lips, so I can wear it all day long without any discomfort. And lastly, the application is so easy. I can apply it with ease and it won't smudge or bleed. Now let me talk about how I love to use this gloss. Firstly, with a lip liner. I love to line my lips with a matching lip liner and then fill them in with the Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss for a perfect bout. Secondly, I'm obsessed with the Korean lip trend with cream and tint. I apply a light layer of cream blush to my lips and then top it off with the gloss for a natural, subtle look. And lastly, a lip combo is always a great idea. I'll apply a matching lipstick and lip liner and then top it off with the Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss for a perfect finish. Now let me swatch the shades for you guys. The first shade is Barely There, which is a beautiful nude pink. Next shade is Caramel Crush, which is a peachy pink shade. Next shade is Kind Nude, which is a beautiful mid-brown gloss. Next shade is Brownie Point, which is a little cool tone darker brown. Next shade is Mauve Muse, which is a gorgeous pinky mauve shade. It is my absolute favorite from the range. Next shade is Spicy Cinnamon, which is a peach nude shade. Next shade is called Date Night and is a beautiful peach shade, and I love this shade. Next shade is called Deep Desire, which is a beautiful blend of mauve and brown. Next shade is Berrylicious, which is a gorgeous pink berry shade. Next shade is Popsicle, which is a bright pink shade. Next shade is Pink Sin, which is a beautiful mix of bright pink and a little hint of red. And the last shade is Paint the Town, which is a stunning bright red shade. And there you have it, guys. That's my personal take on the Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss and how it's helped me find the perfect lip match as per my undertone. This gloss causes a mild warm sensation for instant plumping in order to get you the lush pout. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I can't wait to hear which shade you guys love the most. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe. Comment down below which one's your favorite shade, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.